Good morning. On the menu this morning is cold coffee, Starbucks Via, a Bobo's Oat Bar, which one of my personal favorites on trail, and maple syrup and sea salt trail butter. Fat, carbs, caffeine. Good trail breakfast. Off and rolling this morning. It's really chilly outside. Kind of gray, kind of overcasty, so I really hope a storm's not moving in. Thought it was going to storm on me last night, and apparently in the next handful of days there's going to be like a cold front and a snowstorm moving in. Hopefully I'm in Flagstaff by then, but I really hope it doesn't hit early. Got about probably 18 miles, 17 miles to Mormon Lake. Gonna pop down there off a side trail, get a little bite to eat, pick up my resupply box, and I don't know, I might wait for breakpoint to catch up with me, and I might keep cruising. It'll be about 19 miles for me for the day, and if it's early enough, I might jump back up on the trail, go a couple more miles until I make camp. So we'll see how the day ends up. Well, here is the trail. This is why I got off for 10 days, because it was much worse than this. Just got down here to Mormon Lake to stop by the post office right before they closed. I did like 20 miles before like 12:30 because the post office closed at 1, just to get my box. Grabbed a couple snacks out of the store, which closed at 3, and now I'm going to head back out and probably go about another 4.5 miles, like a little campground, and stop for the night. I'm actually packing out a couple of beers, which I don't typically do on trail, but breakpoint kind of kept hiking, so I'm going to surprise him with a couple of beers and a couple of snacks for the night, so I don't have to cook, so I don't have to cold soak. A little bit of a treat. It's still insanely cold, and apparently it's supposed to drop down pretty low tonight, like 20 degrees or lower, so should make for an interesting night on the trail. But yeah, good little stop, and time to head out.
We're going to Flagstaff.
How's that beer?
This beer was delicious. Wait, retake.
The air puff ones? Off and rolling this morning, and got to a section of trail that's super cool. They're actually these old rail beds that used to be owned by the Flagstaff Lumber Company, and the trail just kind of goes right next to all these old rail beds, which is really neat. Cool to see a little bit of history out on the Arizona Trail. So there's like little placards and stuff as you're hiking that'll kind of tell you the history of the lumber company, when it was here, and whenever they were basically clear cutting these forests, and the old rail ties and all of the old, I guess, like where they built up the track system and stuff is all still here, so pretty awesome. Still really chilly this morning. I'm glad woke up and it was not raining, and going to try to put in a pretty decent day today, somewhere in the 30 realm, to try to get myself as close to Flagstaff as possible. So that way in the morning, I can just cruise in on like a 10 or 15 mile hike and basically be able to do what I consider a Nero and kind of hang out in Flagstaff all day. So today has been a nice long day so far, and the original plan was to stop about 15 miles outside of Flagstaff and then do like a Nero 15 miles in tomorrow. But tonight is going to get really nasty. As you can hear, it's already super windy. It's going to get super cold. It's going to snow. It's going to rain. So we thought, why not just go ahead and push it like 38 miles into Flagstaff? So we're definitely going to get in late. But breakpoint's never done a 38, so we figured this would be a good time to break him in. Plus we have some hot wings and some beer calling our name in Flagstaff, so we're gonna do it. We're gonna push it. Taking a little bit of a break, got our feet propped up, and we're about to make the last 9-mile push to get in. And we made it. After a 38-mile day and getting to the trailhead at 7:30 p.m., exactly 7:30 in the dark, we made it down to Flagstaff. Bones, who was a hiker that was just ahead of us, that you might remember from back in Pine, is actually hanging out here in town and now living here. So he came and picked us up at the trailhead, brought us into town, took us to Lumberyard Brewery, where we ate a ton of wings and burger and a bunch of beer and just hung out hiker trash style. So Greyhound also met up, another hiker that was ahead of us, and yeah, we just relaxed and definitely filled up on some food, definitely filled up on some beer. And then Breakpoint and I got a room here at the Relax Inn, just a cheap little motel on the side of Route 66. And since we got into town a day early and we didn't plan on hiking out until Saturday, and tomorrow there's supposed to be a super heavy windstorm and rainstorm and snowstorm, we're going to take a free day. We're going to take a free 0, I guess, since we got in so early. So hooray. There's no sense in hiking up and over Humphrey with a snowstorm, and, you know, don't want to jeopardize footage for the film again. So we're just going to hang out in Flagstaff tomorrow. Just be a hiker trash in town. So just got done taking a shower. My belly is full. It's time to get some much deserved rest. So after a pretty good day yesterday screwing off in Flagstaff, just jumped back on the trail and headed up Humphreys, or at least the side of Humphreys. That would be Mount Humphreys right there.